welcome to our channel Raka Ki Didi, and I'm back again with one more video from the series of meaningful conversations. Actually, this meaningful conversation is so close to my heart because these are the 5 life lessons that I've learned so far. I really thank my parents for this. They have given me these like 5 top most life lessons. मतलब उसके अराउंड सब कुछ और रिवॉल्व करता है, लेकिन ये जो 5 है ना, ये फंडामेंटल्स हैं जो आज तक मेरे साथ हैं. सो आई एम गोइंग टू क्विकली शेयर दैट विद यू. सो नंबर 1 इज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ एजुकेशन. आई फील it is really very important for everyone to be educated, and educated doesn't mean holding so many degrees or basically doing some of your graduation or post graduation from renowned universities. No, education means being well versed what is going around, understanding between what is right and what is wrong, and वो education हमें हमारी basic education से तो मिलती ही है, और बाकी सब जगह से up to date रहने में और हर चीज़ से सीखने वाला जो ज़ील होती है ना, कि every situation in your life you are always trying to learn something and you educate yourself that okay, this was the wrong thing done, you don't have to repeat it, this is the right thing done and I have to incorporate that in my life. So yes, education is really very important, both the basic education what we get through school, colleges, but also through life. So you have to keep your eyes open both ways. Second lesson is differentiating between empathy and sympathy. My father always tell me this one line which has remained intact and very close to my heart, that if you can't do anything for anyone, for example anybody is coming to me, अरे मेरे साथ ये हो गया, ये प्रॉब्लम हो गई, and I'm feeling like oh god, वो sympathy, वो guilt और कुछ बस में नहीं है, लेकिन फीलिंग ऐसी है कि आई एम कीपिंग माई सेल्फ डिस्टर्ब्ड, अदर्स ऑल्सो डिस्टर्ब्ड, वो नहीं होना चाहिए. इफ़ यू कांट डू समथिंग फॉर समबडी, डोंट सिंपथाइज. यू डोंट हैव एनी राइट टू सिंपथाइज ओवर एनीबडी. एम्पथाइज करिए, उसकी सिचुएशन को सुनिए, उसको अच्छे से अच्छा सेल्फलेस और एक राइट अप्रोच वाला सोल्यूशन दीजिए, लेकिन सिंपथी ना बाबा ना, किसी के साथ कोई सिंपैथी नहीं, क्योंकि हम भी बहुत ही मामूली से इंसान ही हैं, हम भी बहुत कुछ गलत सही सीख के ही आगे बढ़ेंगे. सो सिंपैथी इज़ अ वेरी वेरी लाइक बिग थिंग टू होल्ड एंड वी आर नॉट केपेबल इनफ. थर्ड लेसन इज इंडिपेंडेंस. इंडिपेंडेंस हियर आई डू नॉट मीन अलग रहना शुरू कर दो, अकेले जीना शुरू कर दो, सेल्फ ऑब्सेशन की तरफ बढ़ जाओ, जो आजकल एक थीम चल रहा है. ऑलवेज टॉट बाय माई पेरेंट्स दैट इवन इफ यू आर अ गर्ल एंड यू come from a very like humble background and we can take care of every wish of yours, but you have to be financially independent because time का कोई भरोसा नहीं होता ना, हर चीज़ बहुत जल्दी चेंज होती है. लाइक चेंज इज़ द ओनली कॉन्स्टेंट एज वी से. सो दे हैव ऑलवेज kept me ready to see the lows, to see the highs. Being independent will give you that power of using your education, your knowledge in a well defined manner. And आपको ना एक तरीके से फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट होने से आप इक्विप्ड हो जाते हैं अपनी नॉलेज को सही दिशा में यूज़ करने के लिए. देयर शुड बी नो कंप्लेंट्स. लाइक मेरे अंदर आज के टाइम पे कोई कंप्लेंट्स नहीं है कि मतलब मेरे साथ ये नहीं हो रहा, मुझे तो और पैसा चाहिए. लाइक दैट भूख, दैट हंगर हैज़ ऑलरेडी डाइड बिकॉज आई नो आई एम सेटिस्फाइड विद वॉट एवर आई एम डूइंग एंड आई एम बेसिकली लर्निंग, ऑलवेज इन माई लर्निंग स्पेस. I have seen my father, he is 56, touch wood, he is still learning. He is in that stage of his career where he is sitting at a very good position, but he still choose to learn. He is not settling for enough, you know. So yeah, he is my role model in terms of learning, in terms of how you have to treat your career so that you get that treatment back. Truly, I believe that वो ज़माना जो हमारे पेरेंट्स का था ना, that's really beautiful and different. Like even if our mothers chose to be homemakers, they were given that kind of due respect, of due attention, that okay, your needs are my responsibility and everything. आज के टाइम पे it is quite different. Things are working quite in equality. So the man is taking care of his responsibilities and you are responsible for your own needs, and which I feel is a good enough deal. और क्या चाहिए, मतलब if I want something, I am able to afford it. and if not, I have to work hard. So the fourth lesson is being vocal. Throughout my life, being in school, college, or in job, I have been a person who has her own voice. I think I have spoken out in the most difficult situations as well, where people used to think, oh, ये हम तो नहीं बोल पाए, ये इतनी आसानी से कैसे बोल गई. Very significant trait. If you are vocal, I think the other person who is basically listening gets to know what you are thinking, what your stance is on that certain subject, and it is really very important for a clear communication. Like nowadays I see that there is a lot of noise in conversations between two people. Things get manipulated, changed really very easily, so it is very good that basically you have that one-on-one, talk it out and be vocal for the right thing. Fifth one is the extension of being vocal. So being vocal doesn't mean हर जगह झंडा लहराना है. Being vocal means speaking for the right during the right time. You should speak when and where it is required. I have seen people, really very easily that, two people are talking and they'll just jump into the conversation in the middle and, they'll start talking about it. I really don't feel that is the correct basically thing to do. I know it is a requirement nowadays when we see it in our jobs, jumping into some kind of discussion in between without knowing the whereabouts of the conversation is thought of as a very extrovert thing and a very good trait, but for me it is not. I believe that you have to be a part of conversation from start to end to participate in that conversation with knowledge about that topic. If, for example, anybody is talking about Harry Potter and I haven't really seen Harry Potter and I don't have much contribution to make into those discussions, I'll just keep myself away, try to grasp whatever I can, but yeah, I won't comment in between. So yes, these were the 5 life lessons that I've shared with you. ऐसा नहीं है, life lessons इतने ही limited नहीं होते, बहुत सारे होते हैं, लेकिन मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये 5 बिल्कुल ऐसे major हैं जिनके surrounding में everything else comes. So yes, I hope you really find this video helpful. If you agree, please let me know in the comment box. If you don't agree, let me know that as well. And अगर आपके भी कुछ ऐसे life experiences हैं, life lessons हैं जो आपको सीखने मिले हैं from your parents or yourself, please drop them down. Thank you so much for watching and keep supporting.